Welcome to Most Amazing Facts. In this video we are going to be taking a look at how to organize your life, building a second brain. So, before we get started, don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to never miss new amazing videos. People who are truly organized are not born organized, they must cultivate healthy habits that will help them stay organized. Even if you consider yourself to be a disorganized person, you can learn to be organized. You will become an organized person if you are willing to learn and practice everything from planning to jotting things down to getting rid of the unnecessary and organizing what matters. Organizing your life is the cornerstone of success in all aspects of your life. Staying organized allows you to easily stay on top of things and avoid stress. Organizing your life is a skill that requires practice over time. To avoid becoming overwhelmed and giving up too soon, focus on one thing at a time and take baby steps as you learn how to organize your life. Number 1. Write things down. We've all met someone who remembers every birthday and sends holiday cards. It is not magic, and they do not rely on memorization. Trying to recall details will not help you stay organized. You should try writing down your thoughts. We remember things externally with a pen and paper, which is much more permanent. You can also make use of this formidable digital brain. Trying to keep important dates and reminders in your head will only complicate your life. Make a list of everything: grocery shopping lists, holiday gifts, home decor, and important dates like meetings and birthdays. Try writing down people's names shortly after meeting them as an experiment. That way, I'm sure you remember a lot more names. Number 2. Make timetables and deadlines. People who are well organized do not waste time. They understand that staying organized and productive go hand in hand. They create and maintain daily and weekly schedules. They set deadlines and objectives. Most importantly, they adhere to them. Similarly, if you live a cluttered lifestyle, you won't have enough time or space to meet deadlines or achieve your goals. Examine your bucket list or create one as an experiment. Make a list of the goals you want to achieve this year or in your life. Then write down what you'll need to do to get there. Life is short, so do what is most important to you. Number 3. Every day, clean a little bit. We understand that cleaning every day sounds awful. Set a timer for 15 or 20 minutes and clean everything you can in that amount of time. You can continue cleaning after the timer goes off if you want to, but you don't have to. Every day, you can concentrate on a different room. Without putting in a lot of effort, your space will always look, if not great, then at least acceptable. To that end, make sure that everything you own has a place to call home in order to avoid clutter. If you always put everything back where it belongs after use, your space will be tidy and you won't be late for work because you can't find your car keys. Number 4. Make a place for everything. If you don't have a place to call home, it's easy to become disoriented. Keeping your life organized entails keeping your belongings in their proper locations. Organized people maintain order by properly storing items and labeling storage areas. Make easy access storage areas for items you use frequently, and don't let your storage areas become cluttered. Be inventive in your storage solutions. If there are items that are dispersed, group them together. After you've sorted everything, find or create a home for similar items, label the homes, and place them where they belong. Number 5. Only keep what you need. More things equal more clutter. People who live organized lives only keep what they absolutely need and want. Having fewer possessions also means that you will enjoy them more and will feel better about using everything you own rather than letting half of your possessions collect dust. Have you ever felt like you don't have enough space to keep everything you own? Get rid of some things instead of renting a storage unit or purchasing a larger home. As an experiment, write down the number of items you believe you require. If your actual possessions outnumber your ideal need list, it's time to organize. Number 6. Delegate responsibilities. A truly organized life is free of responsibilities, meetings, and deadlines. It actually has less because things that cause stress have been gradually organized out. Examine or create a to-do list as an experiment. Go through the list and find one task that you can cross off or delegate to someone else. Feel the stress of having to do it subside. Number 7. Work hard. Put forth some effort. When necessary, put in a lot of effort. You can organize what you need to do, and when you can do it once you've delegated responsibilities and created a schedule. Keeping organized is not always easy. It requires you to work hard with the understanding that if you work harder, you will be able to enjoy a clutter-free home life later. When you feel like giving up today, work harder. What is more important is to remember that what you work for is important to you. Number 8. Plan in advance. Being organized entails always knowing what you need to do and what your next step should be. Planning your day, week, and month ahead of time will save you time, energy, and money. Begin by reviewing and analyzing the previous few months or even the previous year. Have you met your objectives? Why did you not? What can you improve on? Is there anything you think you should change? Make a game plan based on what you've learned from this introspection. Don't put off making decisions until the last minute. Number 9. Make backups of everything important. We believe that most of us learn the hard way how important this is. Make a backup if it's critical to you. If something goes wrong, it will save you a lot of stress, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Number 10. Take some time to unwind. Working and resting are equally important. Your brain, like a muscle, wears out and requires rest to function properly. You don't have to work around the clock to be productive. In fact, getting enough rest will make you much more productive. Not only that, but sacrificing sleep to get more work done increases your risk of serious illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, among others. Some people plan ahead of time to relax, which is a good idea if you're always on the go. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. That was how to organize your life, building a second brain. So, we want to know from you guys in the comments what you're thinking. If you liked this video, clicking the like button is all you got to do. It really helps us out. And if you're new, consider subscribing, maybe hit that notification bell. But as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time.